Hey there, it's Diana. Welcome back to my channel. I have a super fun unboxing video for you today. First of all, I never really win anything, and I entered the Daily Charme Halloween giveaway and I was selected. So I wanted to unbox this and show you guys the goodies I got in there. If you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Cute little packaging. This little package has a bunch of different little charms and rhinestones. It's all Halloween themed. This first one is a bunch of different Halloween inspired rhinestones and charms and gems, but I see other things that you can use pretty much on the daily. The only Halloween colored, I would say, is the green and the orange rhinestones. But these are pretty cool. Oh, they're chains. Oh, cool. I love chains. Yeah, this one's chain as well. This one's also chain. These are these little metallic silver beads. Oh, there's matte black ones. Oh, this is super exciting. That's a pewter, different little shapes there. And some bows. And then green and orange rhinestone. Super fun. There's a little card. Now here are a bunch of different rhinestones. These are black. Oh, this is fun. Candy corn and crosses. And these are like little paper Halloween die cuts that you can use for your nail art. And pumpkins. Very cute. Oh, these are adorable. They're like Argyle Halloween. I am definitely gonna have to do a mani, maybe even two, with the items in here. Ooh, what is this? Aha. This one is glow in the dark orange pigment. Ooh, there's a holographic glitter there. Oh, that's pretty. And this one looks like, let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, look at this one. I love glitter, I love pigment, I love chrome. Let's go ahead and open them. Now this one looks like holographic black with some red glitter in there. Oh, there's a seal. Oh, look how fun this is. This one is like holographic glitter. Deathly Hollow. I'm afraid of opening this. Hopefully it doesn't get everywhere. Ooh, this calls for some nail sugaring. And this one is glow-in-the-dark orange pigment. I am not going to open this because it will get everywhere. But it's neon orange glow-in-the-dark pigment. Very cool. I like this one. And the fourth one is another glitter. Oh, this one's a fun one. There's a couple more items in here. This looks to be a nail polish. It is called 𝒟𝒾𝓈 is the color. I've never owned any Daily Charme polish before, and I've heard great things. Oh, this is very pretty. It's like a gray. Oh, I like this one. I like this one a lot. Sunburst. This looks to be an orange. Oh, look at that. That is stunning. That was very good combo. This gray and this orange goes really nice together. I hope you enjoyed watching me unbox my Daily Charme giveaway winnings. If you liked it, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.